Welcome. If you've ever joined a Discord server and wondered how to easily browse through all the channels, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to browse channels in a Discord server, updated for 2025. First, open the Discord app on your device. Whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app, the process is very similar. Once Discord is open, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of all the servers you're a member of, each represented by a circular icon. Tap on the server icon for the community you want to explore. This will load up the server and display its main chat area. However, to see the full list of channels and categories, you'll need to expand the server view. In the top left corner, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on these lines to expand the full channel list. Now you'll see all the categories and channels that the server has to offer. Discord servers are organized into categories, which help keep things tidy. For example, you might see categories like information, general chat, or voice channels. Each category contains related channels, such as text channels for chatting or voice channels for talking with others. To browse, simply scroll through the list of categories and channels. Tap on any channel to enter it and see what's going on. If you see a lock icon next to a channel, it means you don't have permission to view or participate in that channel, which is set by the server's admins. You can always return to the main server view by tapping the 3 lines again. This makes it easy to navigate between different channels and categories, so you never miss out on important conversations or updates. That's all there is to it. Browsing channels in a Discord server is quick and intuitive, letting you stay connected and organized within any community. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.